What's up, sweathearts? Welcome to the tutorial for Tukur Tukur. This is one of my very favorite Bollywood songs. Let's get started. And we're going to start with these hands right here. We're going to come to the side. We're going to go down, up, across, down, and then circle. Down, up, across, down, and circle. We're going to start on this side. We're going to drop low, up, across, down, and then circle, and we're going to tap the heels to start again. Up to go down, up, side, down, circle to prepare again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'll show it facing the front. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Repeat again. Down, up, side, down, heels, 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 up, down, up, side, down, heels, 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 up. Now, next we're going to take it down here. We're going to have that right hand come out of the palm, left of the palm, and then back of the hand, back of the hand. So it goes with the left heel, right heel, right hand, left hand, right hand, left hand. Again, right, left, and then we're going to go right, left, but to prepare for the beginning of the dance, we're going to go toes, heels to get into the chorus. So it looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Chorus begins. We take that right foot across for 6. Cross, open, together. We're going to take the hands around the head and switch sides. Now the left foot goes cross, open, around, other side. We have these hands in the prayer here. Facing the front, it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 2 options for this. You can either do it just like that with the toe on the ground, or you can jump it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'll show both ways. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Switch. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now with jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8. Good. We just finished our first section of Tukur Tukur and around. We're going to bring these hands here. These are our deer hands. First, index finger and middle finger and thumb closed, and we have our little pinky finger and ring finger with our little antlers. We're going to step out on that right foot. 1, 2, open up, and step back, left, and close, cross. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right hand, right foot out, left hand, left foot out, and we're going to pull them in 5, 6, 7, 8 to prep again for the chorus. Facing the front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Arm, 5, 6, 7. Begin. Toe, toe, toe. Together. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remember, you can also jump this. 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8. Great. Now we're going to take it up towards the mirror. We're going to bring the hand in front and one hand up, and we're going to twist the wrists, and we're going to work the body towards the mirror. So it goes. Right foot leads, right arm towards the mirror, left arm up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to take it back. Right, together, left, together, diagonal, back, and back here. Now those hands in the back are just twisting and pulling in. So palms down, they twist, palms up, palms up, palms up, palms up. I'll do it facing you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pull, 2, pull. two, pull, two, pull. Here comes our right hand, right arm, left arm, 5, 6, 7, 8, chorus. Next section, we just did our fourth one. Down, up, cross, and heel together. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to step out to the right side. We're going to go 1, 2, together, 3, 4, and then 4 single steps. Out, 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 out. And the arms are just serving up here. Face to the front. It goes 1, 2, together, 3, 4, singles, 5, 6, 7, 8, again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Goes back into the section towards the mirror. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back, heels. Twist the arms. Twist and twist. One more time. We go. Open, close, open, together, close, together. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Arm, arm, 4 times here to start again. Now there's a little bridge in the middle. We just finished our third set of these that go down and around, down and around. We're going to go right arm, right hand, left hand. And we're going to take it nice and low here. We're going to feel the thighs there and the hamstrings. And we're going to tap those heel, 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 heel. Again, heel, heel. Same pattern, we're going to take it up towards the mirror. Heel, heel, down, down, tap, tap, down, down. And we're going to serve it up as we bring the booty back, 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 back. And it looks like this. Pop, 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 pop. Facing the front. We just did one set of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Heel, heel, heel. Again, getting lower and lower. As low as you can go. Taking it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Booty back, booty back, booty back. Tap, tap. Repeat. Arms up, arms up, arms up. Twist it back. We go. Diagonal right, diagonal left. 2 more times. And back. Prepare. Arm, arm. 5, 6, 7, 8. Last time we go for the chorus. 4 sets, 2 on each side, either on the ground or with the jump. And then we finish with the hands from the beginning. The only difference is instead of the heels at the end, we're going to travel it side to side. I'll show it to the front. We just finished our last one. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Down, up, side, down, hop, 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 up. Repeat to left. Hop, hop, up, down. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Arms. So that's all the choreography. There's quite a few sections there. We'll see how it goes. Let's dance it. Mwah.